Welcome to another AutoCAD tutorial where we'll explore two essential commands, trim and extend. Trim command. Write TR double enter in the command line. And this command allows you to remove unwanted portions of lines, arcs, or polylines by trimming them to the boundary of other objects. Simply select the objects you want to trim, specify the cutting edges, and AutoCAD intelligently trims away the excess, leaving you with clean, precisely defined shapes. Extend command. Write X double enter in the command line, and with extend, you can effortlessly lengthen lines, arcs, or polylines to meet nearby objects. Whether you need to extend a wall to meet another or elongate a beam to intersect with a column, the extend command makes it easy. Simply select the objects you want to extend, specify the boundary you want to extend to, and AutoCAD seamlessly extends the lines to meet the selected edges. But wait, there's more. You can also press Shift while using Trim to extend and press Shift while using Extend to trim. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials and tips. Happy drafting!